Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs, back with another video just for you guys. You guys can see I'm over here with the Subaru. We have not cleaned, washed, or cleaned out anything inside the interior of the car for a month now. So it is absolutely filthy. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean out the interior. I'm gonna show you guys more of the interior of the car. Then we're gonna clean out the exterior. Then we're gonna take some pictures, take some videos, do a little photo shoot for you guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I keep saying, guys, keep doing the right things in life. Keep staying motivated, keep staying blessed, but take care of your health and each other during this hard time, guys. Let's have a good time. Enjoy the video. Peace. All right, y'all, so we are over here with the Subi. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it is absolutely filthy. It's really dirty. So what we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and clean it, do a nice walk around, show you guys exactly kind of how it looks when it's clean, some future plans I have for the car, go over any questions I've been getting for the car. Let's get to the video. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but man, it is just filthy. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean this. All right, y'all, so I don't have most of my supplies. What I do have, it's a nice hose, so I'll be able to hose this down. I'll be able to use a microfiber towel to be able to wipe it down as well and clean it off. But that's about all we can do for now. So I'll show you guys a little bit of the clean. Let's get to it. All right, now that we got it wet, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it. It's already looking much better now. Definitely got that shine back. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it down, and then we'll probably do one more coat and then wipe it down, and we'll call it a day. Let's get back to it, guys. All right, got done with the first wipe and spray. So you can see it's looking much cleaner. It's still a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do one more, just to make sure it's really nice. And I'm gonna cover the car up, but it's getting there. But as you can see, it's still a little bit dirty. So we're gonna do one more clean, one more coat. Let's get to it. All right, now we're on the second coat. What I got here is just a little bit of some cleaning soap, nothing too strong for the wrap. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down, wipe the car down, just to get all the dirt really wiped. And then we're gonna go through and do the drying process after that, and then dry the car off. It should be good after that. Let's get back to it. All right, last but not least, you're gonna wanna take a nice microfiber cloth towel and just simply wipe nice and soft, especially if you have a wrap car. Just clean it nice and soft so you don't leave any scratches or any marks, but that way you can get that nice shine, and you can get that nice clean. So you're gonna wanna have a microfiber towel for sure with wrap cars. Even if you don't have a wrap car, it helps so you don't scratch the paint. It helps so you don't scratch the vehicle. So what we're gonna do is just lightly and easy, just go over the entire car, make sure you get the carbon fiber and make sure you get everything else. And that way everything will be nice and dry and nice and clean. So this is the finished result of the clean. As you can see, it looks much better now. I'm super happy with how everything came out. Got the car clean. If you have any other videos that you want to see from my channel, please put them down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want. I want to make videos that everyone likes, everyone enjoys, and everyone just has fun watching. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and take a look at this interior real quick. I mean, it's not super bad. It's a little bit dusty, but as you guys can see, we definitely have to clean it a little bit. Wipe it down, scrub it down, and get it clean. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Oof. It's actually not too bad in here. As you guys can see, it's not too bad. We definitely have to vacuum this out right here. I got some spray and some cleaner to be able to wipe this down and make it really pop and look really nice, but not too bad. Like I said, I haven't cleaned it or washed it in about a month. Alright, as you guys can see, I have a portable vacuum cleaner that we're going to be using in order to clean the vehicle. It's very good and very important to have one of these in case you want to clean your car, so that way you don't have to go to a cleaning shop or go to a portable one where everyone else is using it. You have your own. It's very simple. You can clean your car from your own home. So this one we'll be using for the interior, guys. Very simple. Obviously this is going to be for wiping everything down. We got the leather care. There's going to be the wipes. I'm going to be using to wipe the leather. We got the protectant. Obviously that's going to be for the top, like the dash, the plastics, everything as far as that. We have the window wipes. Obviously that's going to be for the windows and all the clear parts. And then this is going to be for my seats. And this is going to be leather cleaner. I also have a spot remover in case I need to use that, but overall this is what I'm going to be using to clean the interior of my car. Also, I almost forgot to show you guys the all-purpose cleaner that I'm going to be using for the car. Obviously you're going to need a cleaner for the vehicle, so this is what I am going to. Love this, works very good. I'm going to be using that for the Subi, guys, for the Subi. So I like to go ahead and just kind of do a wipe, just a pre-wipe, just to get everything kind of moist a little bit, just to get all the dust off, to get little dirt pieces off before I really get into the cleaner stuff. Just come in here and just kind of do a pre-wipe. Information even on my car, if you haven't seen it or I haven't answered it, please put it in the comments so that way I can go ahead and help you guys with whatever it is you're looking for with this car or any other car. Alright y'all, so we went and vacuumed and cleaned it all out. It's looking really nice in here now. Everything's all vacuumed and cleaned up. So all we're going to do to finish up now is we're going to spray everything down. We're going to finish wiping, make sure it's nice and polished. But overall, guys, looking really good. Let's get back to it. We're going to start using this. We're going to spray everything down. Like I said, guys, I have a lot of interior stuff that I'm going to be doing for the Subaru. Lots of interior work. So if you guys are interested in doing interior work for your Subarus as well, or any other car, I'm definitely going to be doing some stuff that I think is going to be awesome and really just bring up the interior of this car that much more. I think these cars have great potential when it comes to doing interior work, and I'm really excited. So we're done. Got it cleaned out. It's looking great up in here now. I'm gonna be doing some installs coming soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. Like I said, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. I know this wasn't too exciting of a video. I just wanted to make a video where I just talk about, cleaning the interior of the car, showing you guys a little bit of the car, and kind of just talking about what's next to come, maybe a little bit. But anyway, guys, stay safe, keep working hard. We passed 9,500 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that and for supporting the channel. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Peace.